Hello everybody, my name is Theocharis Katranis, and in this short video I'm going to show you how we complete the registration of a new customer in Global Smart program from our back office. So this is our back office. We logged already in. Then we have to go and choose Global Smart from the programs of the company. So we click on Global Smart. Then we go to the left navigation menu, and we find the option where it says New Customer. We click on New Customer. Then the next window is going to take us to a place that we have to put the information of the new customer. We see also who is the sponsor. So in this case, it's gonna be you. You're gonna have your picture and your details. So what we have to do, we have to fill up the details. For example, this is just for training purposes. This account is not real. I'm going to delete it after we finish this training. This is just for you to see how we fill up the details. So I'm just creating, let's say, I'm putting the details. I just confirm the email. It's gonna be your best email here, so you can get the information from the company. Let's say Taurus. This is the nickname. Login can be has to be a capital letter and a short and different numbers. Sorry, this is for the login. Can be, let's say, the username, which is we can put Mario's 24, whatever it is. Then we can put, as I said, a capital letter and numbers. Again, we type the same. We proceed. We choose the gender. If it's a male, then we choose male. For example, we choose any kind of, we put the birthday. We choose a country. It can be any country from all of this. City, let's put Limassol. I live in Limassol. This is in Cyprus. Region again is Limassol. We can put then the address, for example, is Georgiou Street 19. If it is an area, we can put also Mesa Guidonia, for example. Then postcode, we can put the postcode, and of course I'm going to put I'm going to put the telephone number. So when we put the details, before we click, before we proceed, we have to come and check that all this information for our customer is correct. Then I'm going to click on this select table of orders in order to choose which table I'm going to work for. We are going to work the Global Smart. This is a program here, so we click on it. This is a program. So it will take us to the actual table that we are working, because we're gonna be the sponsor of the new customer. So we check that we are in the correct table and the correct order. So next step is to have to click on these boxes that has to do with the terms and conditions, the marketing incentive program, and also the personal data protection policy. This is the GDPR, the General Data Protection Regulation, that was valid from May 25, 2018. And when we do this, then we have to click register, this button here for registration. When we click the registration, it will give us the option to choose to confirm the details that everything is okay. And when it's okay, we just click confirm. At the bottom, we see the button confirm, so we click on the confirm button. So the next step that we see, we see this is the details from the new customer. This number here is a UID. This is a unique identification number of this customer. Is something like is a unique number that we can refer always as an associate with this company, and then we can proceed to the client's back office, and of course to proceed and do the payment. So until here, what we do, we go to the customer's back office. So actually we log out from the from our account, and then we log in to the new account. So we said that our the username, it was Marius24, and then we have this for the new customer. So actually now, as you see, we are already in the customer in the back office of the new customer. Again, we have to confirm and we have to follow the company's rules and regulations about the website terms, about the marketing incentive programs, and also about the personal data protection policy. We have to tick, and then you have to accept if we really willing to work with this company. So when this is done, then the next thing that we have to do is another step that we have to follow. We have to go to Global Smart, and then we click on Global Smart. Then we have to give come here where we're going to pay for our order. So as I said in my previous video, I show the way that we get coupons. We are going to click, usually what we do, we always click with coupons. We come here on this section. We click always table where the order will be placed after making the prepayment. We click on this link. So we see again that we are on the correct table, so there are no mistakes, and for the order to be misplaced in some other tables. So we see that everything is okay. We close this by clicking this small X here, and then the next thing that we have to do, we have to click on the coupon, this line here that tells us to pay with coupon. It will ask us to put the number. This is what I mentioned before, and also the code. And when we say pay, then immediately our order will be placed on this table. So we are going to see actually our name here on the above our sponsor. And of course, with this, we'll be able to proceed later on and do some other adjustments within our back office. So that's it. This is the way that how we do the registration of a new customer, and just share the information. We are one of the best companies nowadays. We have one of the best products that everybody knows. The company has a capital value today, 2019, 850 million euros. It's operating in more than 200 countries. It has offices in Geneva, is registered in London, in Munich, in Barcelona, in Mexico City, and on the 29th of March this year opened one of the biggest offices in India. So the company is expanding, and of course, we as customers with this company. All right.